Hello and welcome to ProjectHelpYouGrow.com, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create job listings on the website for free. The only thing that you absolutely need to have an account for is to post jobs. So if you're an employer, a recruiter, or you just want to help me add jobs onto the website, it's totally fine, but you do need to sign up for an account. So once you're signed up and you're signed in, you're logged in, what you're going to do from the home page, which is just simply ProjectHelpYouGrow.com, is you're going to come to the jobs drop down and then hit post a job. It's really that simple. From there, what you're going to do is just fill in the different categories, all the different sections that you can. So you're going to put the job title, the location, if it's full-time, part-time, whatever it might be, even MLM are acceptable, right? The job description, as much information as you want to put about it. You can add hyperlinks, that's not a problem. In here you can have the email address that you want the applicants to submit their resumes to, or the website to the landing page for the company itself. So if you have, a careers dot whatever on your website and you just want them to go there, then you can put that website URL and it'll take them there. Put the company name, put the link to the website. By having these things, you're going to get a better response. The one thing you always want to make sure you put is the logo. In the logo file, I'm going to give you a helpful tip. You want to use 400 by 400 dpi or 500 by 500 dpi for the file size. The reason why, when people are coming to search for jobs, if you don't have a logo, they're not very likely to click on the job itself, I have found. And if you don't use a block, 400 by 400 or 500 by 500 dpi, then the whole logo is not going to fit inside the preview screen, which is what most people will see when they're scrolling through trying to find a job. It's really that simple. There are no tricks, there are no fees, there's nothing special you need to do. Again, real quick, go to ProjectHelpYouGrow.com, make sure you're logged into your account, and then go to the jobs drop down, post a job, and submit. Now, once you submit, the jobs go into a holding tank, and I come in manually and review them to make sure that they're legitimate, because believe it or not, some people try to post bogus stuff on here. And so I review each one before they go live. But once you post it, it goes into a holding tank and then I review it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at info@ProjectHelpYouGrow.com. If you forget, you can just go to the contact page and the email address is here, right? Just send me an email to info@ProjectHelpYouGrow.com. I'd be happy to help you. If you have any other questions, you can shoot them there too. Thank you very much for visiting, and I hope this video is a help. Have a great day, everybody.